Yeah, because I intend on doing some meal prep for the week. We're going to DI. It's very brave of me to stay there at this time.
Wondering if you and I could be Kim K and Kanye crazy. Just maybe constant crazy with my day. You got something that
Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Hilda, and if this is your first time, first of all, why is this your first time? Please do not make it your last. Subscribe, comment, and engage so you can be notified every time I make a new upload. New videos come up every Friday. Let's get on with the video. Thank you. I'm trying to use my this way. I'm trying to use my hands for recording right now instead of my tripod. Anyways, guys, we intend on doing some meal prep for the week. Yeah, because living in Lagos is not for the week.
Wondering if you and I could be Kim K and Kanye crazy. Just maybe constant crazy with my day. You got something that I'm interested in. Just maybe you're 22. Do what I handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. You're 22. Do what I handle. Going on 23. You look pretty though when you're fucking with me. I mean, see, I'ma show you what it means to be loved. 22 going on 23. You look pretty though when you're fucking with me.
Hi guys, come with me. Let's go for a work event. This is my outfit. I have my makeup on. God, I'm sweating already. I have my wristwatch, jewelry, and this is my outfit, guys. I just want us to take a second to appreciate this makeup look. I feel so good. Okay, I'm sorry guys, I did not update you guys from the last time, but this vlog is going to continue from here. We're going to DI.
Wondering if you and I could be Kim K and Kanye crazy. Just maybe constant crazy with my day. You got something that I'm interested in. Just maybe you're 22. Do what I handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. You're 22. Do what I handle. Going on 23. You look pretty though when you're fucking with me. I mean, see, I'ma show you what it means to be loved. 22 going on 23. You look 22, you're 22. Two at a handle, girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. You're 22, two at a handle, girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby.
You're now tuned into the people's DJ, the one and only DJ Harlow.
Guys, as someone that is going to work as early as 4:40 a.m. tomorrow morning, it's very brave of me to still be awake at this time. This is like to 11 or past 11. Yeah. Anyways, let's go to bed. See you guys tomorrow. I'll be looking at 4:30 a.m. in the morning, trying to get to work. Looking like a glazed like a glazed donut. Boom! I'm trying to get to work. This is so risky, guys. I'm trying to happen.